In 2020, when we had the Grizzly Creek fire, it burned all throughout Glenwood Canyon. And then we had record rainfall, which led to massive mudslides and debris flows.
It was completely flooding. I was hiking in ankle-deep water the whole way up.
As the debris was moving down in the flood, it was just pushing the river into these places that you would have never thought.
Hanging Lake is too important of a recreation destination around here, and as part of the local economy to have just left it.
Given the level of work that was needed, it was going to take a lot of people to make it happen.
The trail itself being closed was devastating. I mean, we felt the impact of people not coming because of Hanging Lake. That was felt throughout the community. It was tough.
It's such a special site, and I know it's kind of known nationally, even internationally. Folks know this spot is a really great place to come, kind of have that connection to nature.
You will travel this trail and you will see families of all ages and all backgrounds enjoying time.
We've put so much love and effort into this path that it reflects how much people appreciate their public lands and each other.
We ended up putting a bunch of time and effort into how could we design it to kind of maintain that experience but have it be sustainable.
This trail now, it should last for 100 years. That's amazing.
I think even more important is just understanding like this is a special place and we want to protect it, and we want to make sure that our children, our children's children, we kind of pass this down into future generations.
You know, we turned a disaster into an opportunity, really, to make something great.
Recreation is one of those areas where the general public has an opportunity to explore, go on an adventure, de-stress from the hecticness of the day-to-day, sit around a campfire and laugh with friends, and build that social connection in ways that ties them to these places. And the more we can get people to love the outdoors, the more we can get people to understand the relevance and importance of these national forests, the more they will care, and the more they will want to create a world where caring for forests is second nature, and it's embedded in our DNA.